An electric arc is produced when a current is forced to flow through insulating medium like air. This occurs when the voltage across a gap becomes strong enough to ionize the air and creating a path for the current to flow. In case of circuit breakers, there are two contacts. One is fixed contact and second is moving contact. At normal operating conditions, both contacts are closed and a normal current is flowing through the contacts. But when fault occurs, current increased several times as compared to normal current, and moving contact of circuit breaker move backward and there will be air gap between two contacts. Faulty current starts flowing through the air gap and air will get ionized. So, an arc will be established between two contacts of circuit breakers and current starts flowing through the arc. Now, to extinguish this arc, we can use two methods. One is high resistance principle and second is 0 point extinction. In high resistance principle, resistance of the arc will increase to reduce the current flowing through the arc. After that, arc will get cooled and finally it will be extinguished. Resistance of the arc get increased in two steps. In the first step, length of the arc will be increased by using arc runners because resistance is directly proportional to length. Arc runners are horn-like blades of conducting materials which are connected to contacts of the circuit breakers with their tips radiating upwards in V shape. Blowout coils are inserted at the bottom of the arc runners. The arc originates at bottom and blow upward by electromagnetic forces produced by blowout coils. As arc moves upward, the length of the arc will get increased. In the second step, the arc is elongated and split by arc splitters. Arc splitters are specially made plates of resin bonded fiberglass. These are placed in the path perpendicular to the arc and arc is pulled into them by electromagnetic force produced by blowout coils. When the arc is pulled in the space between the plates, it gets elongated and splits. After lengthening and splitting of the arc, resistance is increased and current flowing through the arc decreased. After that, the space between contact is deionized quickly by introducing fresh unionized medium such as air or gas. The dielectric strength of the contact space increased to such an extent that arc extinguished. Second method of arc extinguish is 0 point extinction. This method is employed in AC arc interruption. The alternating current will pass through 100 times per second in 50 cycle current wave. At every current 0, the arc vanishes for brief moment. However, the arc appears again with the rising current wave. In AC circuit breaker, the arc is interrupted at a current 0. At current 0, the space between contact is deionized quickly by introducing fresh unionized medium such as air or gas between the contacts. The dielectric strength of the contact space increased to such an extent that the arc does not continue after current 0. This is about high resistance principle and 0 point extinction to extinguish the arc. Thank you.